So we are driving in a Volvo XC60 and we are driving towards a Volvo S40 which has stopped, and I think the reason is the fuel pump, so we are going to change the fuel pump. And this is the fuel pump. I bought a second-hand fuel pump. So the parts, so yeah, it should be easy. So the fuel pump is located under the back seats. First we have to remove them. It's a little bit dirty over there, but yeah. Fuel pump is located under the carpet. Yep. So there's the fuel pump over there. It's in the center, and we have to remove it. So this is the fuel pump. This is how it looks when you remove the cover. So we remove these holes here and here, and we unscrew this black ring. We remove the fuel pump and we are going to place the new one. Yep. And let's try to start the car. Old fuel pumps replaced. And it's running. Good luck.